In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an app on iPhone. This process is simple and intuitive, and you'll be navigating your apps in no time. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the home screen. If you have an iPhone with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You will see all your app icons laid out in front of you. For iPhones that have a home button, simply press that button to bring up your home screen. This action is crucial because it allows you to access all your installed applications. Once you are on the home screen, you can easily see your apps and begin your journey. Now that you are on the home screen, it is time to find the app you want to open. Start by swiping left or right through your home screen pages. You may have multiple pages depending on how many apps you have installed. Take your time to look at the icons and identify the app you need. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, swipe left to access the app library. The app library organizes your apps into categories, making it easier to find what you need. This method saves you time and effort, especially if you have many apps to sift through. Once you locate the app you want, simply tap its icon to open it. This action will launch the app, and you will be taken directly into its interface. It is satisfying to see the app open up, ready for you to use. Whether it's a game, social media, or productivity tool, tapping the icon is the final step in accessing your desired application. This direct action ensures you are ready to engage with the app immediately. If you cannot find the app you are looking for, don't worry. There is another way to access it. Swipe down on the home screen to open Spotlight Search. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly locating apps. Once the search bar appears, type the name of the app you want. As you type, suggestions will appear, helping you find the app faster. When you see the app you want in the search results, tap it to open. This method is particularly helpful when you have a lot of apps or when you cannot remember where a specific app is located. Using Spotlight Search is important because it streamlines your app access. It can save you a lot of time and frustration. You will notice how efficient this method can be, especially if you frequently use many different apps. Now that you know how to open an app on your iPhone, you can confidently navigate your device. Remember, the steps are straightforward. Access the home screen, find your app, and tap to open. If needed, use Spotlight Search as an alternative. With practice, these actions will become second nature. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to open an app on iPhone. With these skills, you will be able to enjoy all the features your apps offer. Happy exploring!